In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to uninstall and remove print driver here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. So here at the settings, all you need to do is you need to proceed first here at the left pane, and there you can see this option called Bluetooth and devices, which is next to system in my case. Click on it, and the moment you have bring up the Bluetooth and devices section, there you can see at the third of it, printers and scanners. So here at the printers and scanners, you'll get to see all of the printers that are being installed here in your Windows 11. So from that, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the printer here that you would like to remove, select that. The moment you click on it, you'll get these two options which are set as default and removed. And since the target of this video is to remove that, then click on removed. And once it is being removed here, you have just successfully removed that here in your Windows 11, but not completely. Okay, you can also proceed to your Bluetooth and devices, go with the devices settings. Okay, and then here you need to scroll down. There you can see more devices and printer settings and the related settings. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be able to see this devices and printers window. From that, select the printer that you would like to remove, make a right click here, and go with remove device and click on yes. In that way, you'll be able to remove it. So to completely remove or to completely uninstall the specific printer driver that we have removed earlier in the settings, we need to proceed to the keyboard and press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you'll be able to bring up a small window called Run. So before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So here I'll be including, I have pasted a run command at the description box below. All you need to do is you need to copy and paste it here at the run. So by that, please type for it or you can paste it, okay? So since you have copied it. So it is printui space forward slash s space forward slash t2 or t number 2. Then click on the OK button here, and in that way you'll be able to bring up the print server properties where here you'll be able to see those installed printer drivers. So just have to identify the printer that you have removed earlier at the settings. In my case, this is the one. Then click on the remove button here and please turn on this. Please select this remove driver and driver package. Click on the OK button here and click on yes. From that moment, okay, just have to click on delete and then click on the OK button. And once it is being placed here, close the window and then restart your computer. So navigate here at the start and go with your power menu options and click on restart. Once you've restarted it, you will be able to successfully remove or uninstall that specific printer driver here in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.